Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Shakkar Paras are sweet and one of the favorite snacks, especially for holidays. I have added cinnamon for flavoring. The crispness and flavoring with cinnamon makes these Shakkar Paras are like cookies. This recipe will serve 6. So I am ready to make Shakkar Paras. I am using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, maida or plain flour, half a cup of sugar. I am using the fine sugar, not the sugar powder. 2 tablespoons of sooji, semolina, fine sooji. Pinch of salt. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well. These are all the dry ingredients. I have here 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 drops of lemon juice. Just 2 drops, okay? Don't add any more. This helps not soaking too much oil. Mix it. Really mix it better with your fingers. The last, we have to put 1/4 cup of chilled water. Don't put all at the same time. It's about 1/4. So I'm just going to put about half and mix it. Dough should not be very soft, and you just have to put all these flour, all the ingredients together. You don't knead the dough. Dough should not be very soft because of sugar. This will get softer slowly. I have already used 1/4 cup of water, but as you see, I need some more. So dough is ready. As you see, it has all come together. It's not very soft, and I have used 1/3 cup of water. But add the water slowly, and now it should rest for about 15 minutes, at least 15 minutes before we will make Shakkar Paras. This has been 15 minutes. Dough is looking good. It's firm. So now we are going to just knead a little bit. And cut them in 2 pieces. Roll it and just sprinkle little bit all-purpose flour so dough doesn't stick to the board. And roll it into about 8.5 inch circle. It shouldn't be very thin. So thickness is just right. So I'm going to prick it from fork both sides so Shakkar Paras don't puff up when we are frying them. Turn it over and prick this side also. I like to cut them in long ways, so 1/2 inch wide and about 3 inch long, but you can cut in the shape you like. Okay, so that's the shape I have been looking. So this one is done. So now we can roll the next one also the same way. So I will roll both and then fry it at the same time. I am ready to fry the paras. Heat is on low medium. So just try first one para. It should sizzle but not come up. As you see, it has been sizzling. So oil is ready. Don't put too many paras at one time. We will fry them in 2 batches. And this should take about 6 to 7 minutes. And wait till the paras have come up, most of them, then you have to turn them. You will have to turn the paras 3 to 4 times and they should be light brown. Don't fry them on very high heat. They will be cooked faster, but they will not be crunchy or flaky. Now they are getting ready. As you see, they have started catching some colors. So just little bit more. The paras are looking very nice in color and they are ready. Take them out and turn off the heat. Enjoy these delicious cinnamon flavored Shakkar Paras as a delightful snack or treat for a holiday and travel. Shakkar Paras are crisp when you break them and they are flaky inside. I know my grandkids will enjoy them. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and I enjoy reading your comments. Thank you. Enjoy.